guys, today I have with me the Redmi Note 10. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi. Redmi Note 10 has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V3 protection. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone, IR blaster and speaker grill. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Redmi Note 10 comes with a quad camera setup with the Redmi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Redmi Note 10 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 chipset with 11nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 512GB. Redmi Note 10 offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 13-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Redmi Note 10 is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Redmi